y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Danielle. If this is your very first time here, and we need to meal prep because we have goals. Thank you. So here's my meal prep from the last video. I'm about to heat this up and get ready to eat this for breakfast with my coffee from yesterday too. I didn't finish it, so I'm just going to drink that today. And then as far as breakfast for the next couple of days, these sausages and English muffins, which I have right here. Just gonna make breakfast sandwiches if you couldn't tell by now. And 6 eggs. So I just need, I have exactly the right amount. I have 7 eggs, so I have just enough. 3 ingredients. 1, 2, 3. Cheese is optional, but I'm just going to whip up these real quick. Really, I'm just going to assemble them, and then I can put them in the fridge. And then if somebody wants one, they can grab it and pop it in the microwave and add cheese if they want. The only thing that needs to actually be cooked is the eggs. What are you doing?
It's squishy. Okay,
bye. So let's get started on that. I'm also throwing out some chicken, and then I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do next. Okay, now that the breakfast meal prep is done, they already started eating it, but I got 4 left. Should be 3 by tomorrow, and then I should get 1 before they all disappear. Let's move on to lunch/dinner meal prep. I thought this was chicken breast, but it's chicken thighs. That's fine. So I'm gonna clean this off real quick and then show y'all how I'm gonna make it.
Let it
I'm aiming for like 5 to 6 ounces of 4 minimum ounces of this chicken thigh. So maybe I can do 3 bowls. That's, oh shoot. Gosh darn it. I forgot to level it out. Let me see. I'll just do 4 ounces in here and then compare it to how this looks. Okay. That's 2. That's 4. So, looking at that, I think we should do a little bit more in this one. It's probably about about 4 ounces. Okay. It looks pretty similar. All right, I got enough for one more bowl. This one can be for Bernie. I'll put a little bit more food in it than I would for mine.
Mom.
Huh?
You make honey with vegetable bread?
I don't care.
Yay!
As long as y'all playing together.
I just rolled over my finger.
Oh my gosh.
With my skateboard. And I need to wash your shoe print off my thing.
Dad. Dad.
Okay, this one has 5.6 ounces.
I was just sitting on the skateboard. Look at my hands.
Oh, sun just came out.
I was using my hands too. I was sitting on the skateboard and I was using my hands to like push myself forward.
Okay, so that's a full
I rolled over.
meal prep when it's time to eat.
Yeah, I can really feel it.
Does it bend? Can you make it fit? No pain?
There's a pain here because I rolled over it.
But you can move it and it don't hurt.
I can't make a fist because I'm like, if I put
You
pressure
just
on
made a
it.
fist.
I can't make this stuff.
Always
Oh, I put it on the list for for the next bulk order that I do. Okay, so that's the full meal prep. I got 3 meals, 2 normal size, 1 bigger one for Bernie. And then you top it with this. And whatever sauce you want, you can do barbecue. I'm gonna probably do honey mustard and cheese. And that's it, that's the whole meal. So it's a honey barbecue crunch bowl.
I looked in the mirror, Dad.
That's it. So that's 2 meal preps done, and that's all I'm gonna do for now. I think that is enough for the next,
You wanna go play Roblox?
for breakfast and lunch tomorrow, and maybe lunch the following day. We'll see. Oh, and then I'm thawing out this, which I'll probably cook tonight. This is just chicken breast that is seasoned with chipotle, peppers,
Actually, no, I
and
have to change.
a bunch of other seasonings. Chipotle's in adobo. I made a little sauce and then like marinated it and froze it. So it should have a lot of flavor. I'll use that for the chicken bowls that I showed y'all that in the last video. But chicken bowls, it's like kind of like a Chipotle bowl, but it has lettuce, chicken, black beans, corn, avocado, and then you mix together the Chick-fil-A avocado dressing and lime juice to thin it out, and then that's what you put on top. So I'll have that over rice. So that's what this chicken is going to be for. As that's so loud. That's what this chicken is going to be for, as well as the toaster, cheesy chicken toaster things. So I'll show y'all that probably tomorrow or the next day whenever I end up making it. But for now, we're done. it's the next day. I did my workout at home. My camera is broken, so that's why I'm filming on my phone. Cody broke my camera yesterday. I was trying to show y'all the dinner when I got home, but she broke my, actually, I think my new, Kane, go on the porch and see if my new lens came. Because I know something got delivered. I'm cooking dinner right now. We're having the chicken bowls with the avocado lime dressing, so I'll show y'all that in a minute. Hopefully my lens is here and then I can just swap this one out and film on my camera. Give me 1 second. That's not a lens, it's two. What is that? Go ahead and open it. Go ahead. Just pull this.
Oh.
Pull this part.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, this is I bought a sleeve for my camera. That's what this is.
Oh. How can I read that many pages of a book?
Okay, I'm gonna put the bowl together and then I'll show it to y'all. Okay, rice, corn, black beans, cilantro, chicken, and then I'm gonna put some avocado lime ranch on it, and maybe a little bit of lime juice.
What?
Good morning. It is Saturday. Yesterday, I think where did we leave off? I think we left off with me telling y'all about the camera. My new lens still has not come, and now it's not scheduled to come for like another 3 or 4 days. So I'm still waiting for that to come. But yesterday I went, the dinner, really, really good. The chicken with the rice, black beans, corn, and the avocado lime Chick-fil-A dressing, so good. We'll be making that again, 10 out of 10, especially for a quick, easy, simple meal. So good. What else? That was the last thing I showed y'all, I think. That was on, I want to say that was Thursday. And then on Friday, I went out with my friend. We went to the movies, went to Sam's Club, and went to get sushi. So that's all y'all missed. And now it's Saturday, and I'm about to edit today's video. And I also got me a muffin yesterday that I didn't eat, so I'm about to eat this, or at least half of it. Wawa blueberry muffins, bomb. They're so good. I think I'm also going to try to finish watching. I watched the originals, and now I'm watching, what's the name of it? Legacies, the spinoff. So I'm going to try to watch some of that today. Oh, I also didn't show y'all my workout on Thursday. I did a at-home 20-minute full body workout, and then I walked on a treadmill for 20 minutes. If I work out today, I'll show y'all that. Just wanted to give y'all a quick recap of what's going on. I'm going to be on this computer probably all day, so not really much to share.